Hi, I'm Simon. Welcome to Bent's. I'm going to be talking about flowers that are good and not so good for bees and butterflies, which, as I'm sure you're aware, are both under a lot of pressure. And anything that we can do to help them in the garden by providing food, basically, is a good thing to do. So one of their favourites, and also a really popular plant with our customers, are the Alströmerias. When you see these little lines on a flower like this, these are often a good indicator that the plant is popular with pollinating insects, because they use them as guides to show where the nectar is. And these are really popular with the bees. They also flower for a very long time, and they're good in a pot or in the ground. We also have more traditional herbaceous plants. Herbaceous plants are non-woody plants. They're in full flower at the moment. They're at their peak. This is a lovely salvia called Sally Funlight Blue, and most of the salvias are popular with insects as well. You tend to find that flowers that are, as I say, relatively natural, haven't been messed about with too much by the hybridizers, they tend to be good for bees and butterflies because they can access the pollen and the nectar. An example of a flower that isn't any good for an insect would be this hydrangea, for example. This is known as a mop head because all the flowers are basically sterile florets, so there's nothing in there that would be of any interest to a pollinating insect at all. And this is a man-made thing, really. This would obviously have died out in the wild. On the other hand, the Lacecap Hydrangea, which is more like a wild one, has the real fertile flowers in the middle, these little tiny things, and then it has the florets at the outside to attract the insects, because insects generally have very good eyesight. So this would be fine, and again they are really good plants for partial shade or for a pot.